What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Another dope unboxing look for you guys today. The Jordan brand strikes again with the Trophy Room Air Jordan 5. So this is one of the more hype releases of the year, but of course we got them right here at Stadium, and say less or less talking. Let's get to these shoes. So here we have the box top, of course, the UNC blue with the gold Jumpman logo right there in the middle. We have the Trophy Room logo right there. Got the gold 23, of course the gold standard on the outside. And we got MJ's signature right there on the back of the box. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. The inspiration behind this shoe actually comes from this very photo right here. This card featured in the box is Michael Jordan's Trophy Room. So his actual Trophy Room is the inspiration behind the design of these shoes. So you'll see the hardwood flooring, the Chicago Bull right there in the middle, and a variety of trophies as Michael's earned and had a variety of different accolades throughout his career. But inspiration behind that. We have the packaging details right here, which are inspired by the front gate of Michael Jordan's home. I do not have that address. Please don't ask me for it. But that's the inspiration behind the packaging. So you'll see the 23 right there, and you'll see the gate right there. We have the microfiber dust bag, which has the Trophy Room logo on the front, and of course the Jumpman logo on the back, with the drawstring details featuring the gold again, so full gold hits throughout. And this is like a sail colored bag. And if you guys don't know, the Trophy Room is actually owned by Michael's son, Marcus. So shouts out to Marcus and the Jordan brand, of course. And here we have the Trophy Room Air Jordan 5 right here. And before we get to the actual shoes, more detailing inside the box once again with the hardwood flooring that you guys can see right there. So let's close this up and let's get to the shoes. The Trophy Room Air Jordan 5. So premium materials throughout this entire shoe. It's like a premium suede throughout, so it's very soft to the touch. Of course, the UNC blue throughout the entire shoe. Laces, UNC blue, USC blue toe, outer panels everywhere, pretty much fully tonal. UNC blue on the plastic casing right there. Excuse me, plastic caging, so you guys don't get at me. We have the number 5 on the outer panel, which is Marcus's number, the number 5. We have the sail, midsole, outsole, with the red detailing here. So if you guys don't know, the Air Jordan 5 is designed by none other than Tinker Hatfield. I've talked about him in numerous videos. And the inspiration behind the actual Air Jordan 5 is a Mustang fighter jet, if I remember that correctly, but I'm pretty sure Mustang fighter jet right there. So we have the exposed air unit. And another fun fact about the Air Jordan 5 is that it's the first Jordan to feature the translucent outsole. So you'll see, classic to most Air Jordan 5 styles, the translucent outsole. We'll get to the back tab of the shoe. Features the Trophy Room logo, of course. Let's switch around to the front. We have the gold lace lock right there with the sail eyelets on the sides, that you guys see on the outer and inner panel. We have the back of the tongue, which reads the Air Jordan and has the Trophy Room logo. And of course, the front of the tongue, which is classic, the metallic 3M tongue with the red Jumpman right there. So the left foot, we have 3 sets of laces. We have the sail colored lace, we have the red lace, and we also have the orange lace. Excuse me, it happens. But let's get to the insoles of the shoe. These are cork insoles. I'm gonna try to take this out so we can see this one really good. So the left foot reads the Trophy Room logo, which you guys can see there. And the right foot has the Jumpman logo on the inside. A few different details on the right foot. Features the number 23 in gold. So the left foot has the 5 and the right foot has the number 23 in gold. And the right foot also features the Jumpman logo. On both pairs, you'll find that these are limited to 7,000 pairs. The last time I called out the number on the shoe, the Board of Governors, y'all got at me in the comments, so I'm not doing that again. So we got the number right there. This is 1 of 7,000. Detailing on the outsoles that you guys can see right there. So the orange undertone, but it's a fully translucent outsole. We have the Trophy Room logo on the left foot, and we have the Jumpman logo on the right foot. So I want to say the underlay of this is inspired by the hardwood, which is why it has the like slightly orange undertones. But one last look at the Trophy Room Air Jordan 5, which also comes in the Friends and Family red colorway, but unfortunately we don't have that one yet, but we are working on it. But if you're looking for these, we have these available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Oh, before I even end this video, I have to say a huge shout out to London. We just got back from London. The partnership between Stadium Goods and Browns East is official. If you guys are in London, in the Shoreditch area, so that's East London, shouts out to East London and all the love that you guys showed me. Genuinely appreciate it. Within the next 4 weeks at Browns East, we will have a collaborative exhibition effort featuring Stadium Goods and Browns East, and shouts out to Services Unknown, who also designed all the collaborative merch between Stadium Goods and Browns East that is available right now. So make sure you guys check out Browns, and make sure you guys check out Sneaker Beast. Stadium Goods, Browns East, Sneaker Beast, Shoreditch, London, East London, thank you very much. But 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area is where Stadium Goods is located, so please feel free to pull up. Please make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, please feel free to visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.